So we went up this mountain here in the hopes that this path would lead back down, but it didn't, and it's raining. So we need to go back down the same path we came. Yeah, we're basically running from a thunderstorm now. That's when my girlfriend gets fast, because she hates thunderstorms. Let's go.
All on board. What should I do?
Ah, ich weiß.
And now we're having some dinner. Beautiful. Look at that fish and rice and the salad. More fish and rice in a salad. Wine, beer, and our dog. You're not gonna be eaten though. Du wirst nicht gegessen, Ruffy. Ausnahmsweise. And look at the view. Look at the view.
A few moments later.
Out in Trogir today, which is like an UNESCO World Heritage city. So let's see. Do you want to go by the water, I guess?
Ja.
Okay. Let's see if it's worth and living up the hype. Und Ruffy will schon wieder ins Wasser.
Da ist auf jeden Fall auf dem Hafen.
Da ist abgesperrt, da hinten hier mit unten. Rechts lang. So we cannot go by the water, apparently. You have to walk in the shade. Oh no! It's yeah, I prefer the shade anyway, so that's fine with me.
With me not.
Not with me.
Not with me.
Get anglicized.
Brauche ich, glaube ich, wirklich.
Ruffy, come. And Ruffy wants to sniff every 2 meters.
Ja, weil alles neu ist.
Ja, everything's new. Der Rosengarten, the Rose Garden. Ja, Ruffy, ich glaube nicht, dass du da erwünscht bist. I don't think they want you in there. Ruffy, come.
Sollen wir da einfach mal reingehen kurz?
Ja, können wir. Komm, Ruffy. Ich will auch überall rein dann. Meine Hand ist dann nachher abgestorben. Ja. Ja gut, so das hat er auch noch nicht gesehen, ne? Das kennt er noch nicht. Was denn? Ja. Auch süß. Nee, bei mir geht's. Das wäre schlimm, wenn ich auch noch fast hinfallen würde wegen ihm, weil er... Ach so, oh, sorry. I didn't see the cat there. Yeah, he ignores her. He doesn't care. Ruffy. Fotos für Ines?
Ja, von den schönen
Ja.
Thank you.
No problem. Look at all these boats. Our friend Kevin has a license for row. Ja, Ruffy, super.
Wegen den Glocken, das findet er, das kennt er nicht.
Ruffy, alles gut.